Well, taking a look at your Health Watch, it is World Immunization Week, and this year's theme highlights how vaccines have safely protected people, families, and communities for generations. And it is Thursday, so just like every Thursday, our resident doctor, Dr. Lindsey Fish, is here from Denver Health. So let's talk a little bit about this. There's been a lot of talk about vaccines lately, so why is this week so important this year?
So the theme this week is for every generation, vaccines work. And it really highlights that it's for generations we've had vaccines that have worked, and that for every generation of your life, every stage of your life, vaccines work as well. And it's really an important time for us to remember how effective they are really at making a difference in diseases. And what you think about is getting a vaccine prevents you from having a disease. And for those of us, our parents' generation had polio, and we remember we have images of kids in the iron lung and paralyzed afterwards, and that's gone now. And we now have countless people who are not sick and hundreds of millions of people who haven't died as a result of vaccines.
Okay, so vaccines have often been called one of the most effective tools in public health. So we may not know, how do vaccines actually work?
Yeah, so the way vaccines work is they actually prep your body to recognize right away and respond to an infection of some sort. And it allows your body to mount a quicker and better response each time. And by doing that, it prevents you from getting sick and then potentially dying from it. Our vaccines are really tested. They are safe. They are effective. Even our recommendations that come out, for example, from the American Academy of Pediatrics, those are based on really good evidence about the effectiveness and the safety, and then also about what diseases we have to worry about here. What we have in the U.S. is different from other parts of the world.
All right, and speaking of different parts of the world and different communities, herd immunity is a term we've heard a lot recently. Well, how do vaccines help the wider community?
So if I get a vaccine, it helps prevent me from getting sick. But the more of us who are prevented from being sick, the less likely it is for the illness to spread throughout our community. And this is really important because there are people who, for different reasons, can't get a vaccine, or who the vaccines don't work as well. For example, think about our infants who haven't been vaccinated yet, or older adults, or people with immune systems that are not as strong, like getting chemotherapy for cancer. And so if we cannot have illnesses spreading throughout our community, we protect all of us. And a good example recently has been measles, which we didn't have, but now, unfortunately, our vaccine rates have gone down, and we're seeing cases of measles across this country.
All right, so if we have questions, concerns, and where should we go? Point us in the right direction.
So I think first and foremost, we always recommend that you go to your primary care doctor, have a conversation with a trusted healthcare professional about this. We can help figure out a solution. Don't take advice online. I have to say, there is quite a bit of advice online that is wrong. So social media, artificial intelligence tools, things like that are not the best place to get your advice. Vaccines are safe, they're effective. If you have any questions, we at Denver Health and any healthcare provider would be happy to help you with that.
All right, Dr. Fish, thank you. We will see you back next week with more Health Watch.